Morning guys, 9 o'clock in the morning. I am a little tired, could not wait for this morning. As you can see behind me, car is on jack stands all the way around. So a little bit about the car. I bought the car with 45,000 miles. I bought it to just drive it, and enjoy it. And I wasn't really thinking about customizing it, or throwing a bunch of money at it. The S2000 out of the box is a great car. It's super fun to drive. But the bug hits you, So at first I started off with the front lip, the rear lip, some side valences, all that. I lowered the seat using the backyard special bracket. The more I drove it, the more I got the bug, right? So I'm driving on the highway or on the city, and the car's quiet. So I made the next step, right? I bought an exhaust. So exhaust box is sitting right next to me. And I want it to handle a little better. I mean, it handles great, but aesthetically as well. So I bought a coilover set. So that's what we're gonna do today. So my boy's coming over. He should be here again in the next 30 minutes or so, and we're gonna attack this. We're gonna try to get the two in the one day. So we'll try to do the exhaust and the coilovers in one day. Should be feasible. Last night I did prep the car. Once he gets here, I'll unveil the parts. We'll take a look at them, and then we'll put them on. So now that I'm gonna put the exhaust on mine, we could be like loud together.
Yes. That's like a tunnel run.
Yes. Can we make these cars pop?
This one pops once in a while.
But all the time.
We should, yeah.
On command.
There's a tune.
Is there?
There's a tune for it, yeah.
Look at that. And you're sitting on springs. Like what springs you got?
Teen time? What's the right way to say it?
I think it's teen. But do you know which one?
I don't know which one.
Well, I rode it and it's comfortable, so.
But it needs more low.
Dude.
I think the back needs more low.
You should the tires are popping out. Look at that. Like, what do you gotta do?
I think just the back.
Just change the fender?
Oh, the fender flares.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like, that takes a lot of work, man.
It's okay, it's okay.
Did you put camber in the front?
Yes.
Or you went stock camber?
No, it's got 2.5 in the back, and I think it's 2 in the front.
Yeah, that's good. All right, let's get in the. I'm already sweating.
That's good, that's good. Let's get your unboxing.
All right, so we're gonna do the exhaust first. We're gonna unbox this bad boy. I'll plant this camera. Actually, I'm gonna have Renee hold it.
What if I don't have a steady hand?
Dude, it's fine. All right, so I opened this already.
And you take the back up?
And I take it back up, not for the unboxing, but just to store it.
Yeah.
Because I had to check. Because my car's an AP2. Remember I was telling you this before?
Yes.
My car's an AP2. So, usually Japanese exhausts, they're made for the AP1. Right? So, AP1 and AP2 have different hangers in the back. And I read that they would include the hangers here, see, for the AP1. And I was right.
Okay.
That's what I was telling you.
Okay.
So, we're good. All right, so let's take this out.
Ooh, so fancy.
Oh my God.
That's so shiny.
It's a looking good.
Okay, okay.
You know what I realized?
I don't.
We should probably just remove that first.
Probably.
Because I'm kind of wasting my time right
No.
You
It's
don't think
it's no.
now. Okay.
It's like enjoy it. Because when we get to work, we're working.
It's begun, guys. It's begun. Alright. So there's that.
That's the second one.
I don't know why the second one's in here. But it's in here.
That's random. You gotta just pull it further out and it would have ripped off. Or that.
There it is. The second piece.
I like it.
Alright. Hot. Should I put it on the floor?
No, I think we should take the other one out
Side by side?
and side by side.
Very good. So let's do this. Alright, so I put the car on jack stands here. It's not going to be like a how-to, more like a before and after.
You're the boss.
Right? So let's do it. Okay, so that's it. It is out. Okay. How long was that?
10, 15 minutes.
10, 15 minutes?
If that.
Half hour?
No.
Nah, it was really fast. I would say 15 minutes. Real quick rundown on how many bolts. So 3 bolts in the right behind the catalytic, 14.
Yes.
The top one was the most difficult, only because it's hard to get to, but with an extension from the back, easy peasy with a little wobbly tool.
Yes.
The back part, you got to remove the crossbar.
Yes.
Rennie, you want to grab that really quick though?
The bar?
Yeah. Look at him, look at him, look at him.
I just hit my head.
So, this crossbar, kind of, honestly, I don't really know what it does, but I guess it gives support to the body and it doesn't
I
allow
guess it ties things together.
Yeah, but anyway, so 2 14s on each side, and then there's 2 10s
Yes.
or something, right?
Yep.
So once this drops, you're pretty much golden. Now the back also has hangers, so you got these hangers here.
2 on each,
So one in the front, one in the back, one in the front, one in the back,
in the middle.
and then this middle one also. Now check this out. So this is the difference between the AP2 and the AP1. The AP2 has this triangular hanger. So that's what this exhaust kind of gives you for the AP1. So really simple. This is the new one. This is a 2-piece. The OEM is a 1-piece, which was funny because it landed on Renee as it dropped. So definitely easier with 2 people. And now we're gonna put this one. I'm assuming that it brings a gasket.
It should. This one's built in.
That's a built-in gasket?
Yeah, so it should have something.
So built-in gasket.
This one has.
Is that?
No, it should still get a rubber or something here.
Alright, well we'll check the box. And then we'll put it in. So this is the Fujitsubo Legalis R. There's the front. It's hard to capture on camera, but it is shiny. And that is the OEM. Okay, so is this what goes here?
I believe it does.
What the
Yep.
hell?
Yeah, it is. So this just fills this ring in right here.
Oh, okay. And then this is for the other end. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah.
Right there.
So ring there. This one connects to the cap. These are for the. Wait, we should have.
These are here. No, these are
Oh, this is for here.
Yep.
And then we reuse the OEM. Probably should have got OEM screws for that.
This way I put new.
Yeah, but the nut is the bolt. It's solid.
Oh, you're right. The nut.
They're usually nuts.
The nut is welded onto the cap,
Yep.
or at least it looked like it was. And then this is. I only got one of these.
I got 2, bro.
Oh, okay. So there you go. So that goes right there. All right. So we're gonna put this on. So Renee,
Yes.
start the clock.
What time is it?
I don't know. It's 12.
It's 12. It's actually 12.
It's 12. All right, let's do it. Okay, so while we have the exhaust out, okay, there it is, about to go in. I am also doing the suspension, and what I did was, let me open this. Oh, these are kind of nice. Through Evasive, when I bought the Ohlins, I also picked this up, the axle spacers. Okay, so while the exhaust is out, it's easy to get to those bolts. We're gonna slip this on. I think it's front or top and bottom, and should use the same bolts. So let's do that now before we put the exhaust in. All right, check it out, check it out, check it out. I like it. It's just shiny. 15 minute? 15 minute, we still got a bar to put up, but that's cakewalk. Bar sitting right there. But this is how she sits. I'm just looking back just to see if it needs an adjustment, but I think it's pretty straight. There she is. Let me take you underneath. Alright, so here is the 2 bolts. What size were these? These were 14. Okay. And then back there, the 3 bolts, also 14. Use the OEM one. But fairly simple. Obviously, it's easier to do it with another set of hands. This exhaust is fairly, I would say, it's lighter than the OEM one. Yes. So, and then I'll put the. Oh, it's dark. I'll put the specs. I'll put the specs of the exhaust in the description. Oh, here we go. Now I can see myself. But with a half-hour job, if no bolts are frozen or stuck or rusted, which PB Blaster, I don't know if it helped, right? Because I put it on there.
Yeah.
So maybe it did. But we're gonna tighten the bolts that connect to the cap, put the bar up, and then turn it on. See how she sounds. I'm gonna turn it on, right?
What's up?
I'm gonna turn it on.
Yeah, we gotta see what it sounds like. It's got a purr. You recording already?
Yeah.
I guess you're gonna do voiceover on the shit?
Huh?
I guess you're gonna voiceover since we're over here talking shit?
Nah. Can I get in this car?
I hope so. Hope your jacks are not that old. Okay, first start. Okay.
The suspense.
Let's do it. Wait. Okay. Nancy, full start. A little better.
Well, sounds good. We're just gonna check for leaks.
top, and if it flaps.
Don't get burned.
What?
Don't get burned.
I hope not.
I envy the fires.
All right, guys. So exhaust is on. Hopefully the sound comes in okay through the video. I know it's sound on video is always not the best. However, it does sound. It has a deeper sound for sure. It definitely sounds OEM plus is the sound that I was looking for. Just to let your presence known, just to hear the engine or hear the exhaust as you're driving a little bit better. So that does it for this video, okay? So the next video will be the suspension part. So we're gonna unbox the Ohlins and then install those. So while we were under there, while the exhaust was out, we did install the half shaft spacers. It just makes it easier while the exhaust is off. Renee, I wanna thank you, sir. You wanna come in real quick? Renee here, I mean, he did, I would say 70, 85% of the work. So I appreciate it. So thanks for coming over and giving me a hand. But stay tuned for the next video, which also Renee will be in, which he kind of started, but we're not gonna say he did. So check that out. All right, guys, see you on the next one.